Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this potato rice flour soap used for skin whitening. This is pretty simple to make. You can get most of these ingredients very easily, so keep watching. The first ingredient is a potato. You can take a medium-sized potato and then you have to grate it. You don't have to grate the whole thing. The most important thing is that we have enough potato there to strain some juice from it. So after we have grated the whole thing, and I'm gonna get the bowl and the strainer, and then I'm gonna strain this potato just grated, because I want to get as much juice as possible. Just keep pressing because you want to get every single drop from here. This is really precious and this is the most important ingredient of our soap. The more the merrier. So this is the amount we get from that potato. And then I'm gonna grate some glycerin soap base. I'm using this organic one, which is free of sulfates and any other harsh chemicals, and I'm gonna get around 5 tablespoons of this. And then I'm gonna add around 2 or 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use some other oil if you want, but I like coconut oil. And then I'm gonna put this in a double boiler, and I'm gonna make sure that this is completely melted. I want this glycerin soap base and the oil to become one. I want them to become even. Just mix them. Mixing is very important here because you want it to become smooth. And when you get something like this, you can start adding other ingredients. The first ingredient we are going to add is going to be the potato juice we strained before. And the second ingredient, which is also very important, is it's rice flour, and I'm going to add 1 full teaspoon of rice flour. When this thing is added, I'm gonna make sure I mix this properly. You have to mix this really well because you do not want any lumps of this, which is especially hard if you're working with flour. So just keep mixing, take your time. You don't have to rush with this because you want your soap to be really beautiful. And when everything is melted, wait until it cools down and then put it in some container. I put this in this little yogurt pot because the mold was way too big for this, and after 3 days this is what you get. So put it aside for 3 days and then you can take your soap out and you can enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching.